Apo de twal juli tamme be television kini an matien ya yom de twal me berutie ka chel ku di channel bodwa yop man madit me the midweek analysis wa ko begi ker men nanno ngog ko matika time ilobo Uganda kama waneno wiji tima tek to twal ga jegi lok ma pigi tego tienne atie bore ka kanyi channel me keli ngoma time i parliament me lobo Uganda wachake yer speaker me parliament me lobo Uganda ket ma tum kwere e cheng baraja niandwe Pierre Beach me dwe ma beach mo gali bari o ki Pierre Beach kawa be pie waneno President Museveni kagota uchimo cabinets mabutiu keji pimwaga beach bukene wadigi dana maguru nyu position ma megi wadigi dana mo ken ma nyen magodonyam wachaki lok ma duki me kui me speaker kama neno nying dana magi kero nyingi me chung me beru speaker me parliament me Uganda kama ya chakene waneno wiji berutima Paul Norbert Mao nyuru mirene ubirka working pink katimu consultation kilok ma Paul de ento suddenly waneno duki me kui dugu kilong kama nonin ikine me nena manok maudong chabera chilgi ken NRM caucus guyara tika maleng nyingat maginono pore me beru speaker me parliament me Uganda pitian ma pawe rio kama chung widana ma tek ni yape karema lok me chamchana kachil ki lonyo pa speaker me parliament me Uganda pitian ma pawe chel honorable Anita Mong ukaro kamaleng ki nyuto mutaka ki lonyo mukene matie ma pat du dir madam magitete party NRM go beru pinga ga wani enomiro yueo ki ipie me beru speaker onyo menyoto mire me beru speaker pitian ma pa wiario ki kelo nying Jacob Maxon both from nowhere pien down no po beru ka biakone ki komene ngoma botime and ikar enini waneno yo loyo kui me beru speaker me parliament me Uganda ki nyi kui miya ngwen ki piera ngwen wiachel ngat mau lubukare uberu la party NUP National Unity Platform Party kama la dita Paul Mwiro eno loy kui no kui nyige Pierre Bichel meno pi beru speaker me parliament me Uganda ngat mano wabi ane at least nan chelo gwakar ka eno beru namba rio ene do beru namba geki Norbert Mao DP General President pa DP Norbert Mao Mathieu la minister manalo kom check ilo Uganda ka kany no kui nyiga pawe big munanasi la pendong tie ene ko berichan pingo pel beru Mao ene gen ma watika temo penyne kidong pingo nyikui ya pawe big ken medical merom waneno lok matika timekin ping ya churi bodwa ka kany wanelo meme parliament magu aki ya churi my district maromam abor makai nano ikom district a chile nogo chwalo lo meme parliament maromo a dek pamon kipacho ario i constituency manutieni ko duju manyete kay ribo ko ikom district matia chuli sub region no roughly ikom district zabor o mirna wabetki lo meme parliament makar pier dek ki wiye kimo kenne magwokti lawn sub region kajegi West Nile no biako berutiere nato Norbert Mao twerno kui ma can reach up to around 100 gwoki wiye kano berurach and suddenly wanero ngat magwakar kene bero no pegi biako machelo Paul Mwiro no kui makaro Pierre Bichel uloyo wa DP General Norbert Mao mati la minister manelo kom check manati kin lok mo ken ma watika tembo nano chelo lok ma Pierre tek to trial kinena matinde donc gomo berutieni kainen gwok Norbert Mao pedo loyo kui me beru speaker me parliament me Uganda gwakaro kene kini na rio ni chake chia rio ni ukere chia dek chimo cabinet berutie me nani olotogo beruki position in minister's position manutieni ento suddenly bene waneno ko berichani Norbert Mao biako berutieni gwakaro kene gibe loko position ne me aki minister manero lokum check ilobo Uganda ga kany gwaki be meri roma be chair maro ento pegi loko ki maintaining and kadong jomo kene bene ki medo romgi nyo ki mi gi position marwate batini ameta mi iri detail makwako anga ma ronyo kom ma mege me beru minister ki anga ma donyo manyen ki dong pinga ki tian lok mo ma nok waneno president Yoweri Museveni ka gota itiario ni de piario bichelo beru ping ma yara tika meleng yin cabinet mo kene. Among the notable minister dropped from cabinets are General David Muhozi, Okello Riem, Betty Amongin, Raphael Magezi, Sam Manguso, Cheptoris, Matia Kasaija, Mawangeo Polkar, Enoberu, La Maki Bego, Lim, Pailobo Uganda, Piluagi Kar, Mapola de ente wanena ko berchani ki logo donc logo ni bene pedok ki mine position moni kong wa kwenyi ki kanyi kop kanyi erge wani don Ramo for this time. So Matia Kasaja donc pe ite cabinet magi chimugi Jesse Odom, Evelyn Anite, ki donc veteran politician Moses Ali, kachiki Ruth Nankambirwa, bene dujuti kindanma donc pegu no position mo ke ken ma lobo chim pa president Yoweri Museveni ka gota.
Jesus is Lord.
La war ichiario. Justin Kasule Lumumba ki replacing ki Amson Obwa Machalo chief whips. Machalo chief whips. Of course, ke Machalo President Yoweri Museveni ogwenyu kere kikin chimodano. President Museveni has unveiled a sweeping reshuffle of Uganda's executive, naming a new 2026-2031 cabinet that introduced major changes across key ministries, while retaining Vice President Jessica Alupo Kigwako Kome New Bet Machalo Alupo President, Prime Minister Robin Nabanja, Kamano Ngur Berutieni Nanchal Kainan Peggy Ma, Norbert Mao Gwake Ramo Chimene Berum Prime Minister Nyongat Manero Lokom Lonyo Melim Ilobo Uganda Kakany Entop ki maintaining and Kadang Wanero in a statement issues under Article 108 and related provision of the 1995 Constitution. Penchek Melobo Uganda Article Mia Chilke Bor. Museveni on Tuesday night announced appointments covering cabinet ministers, ministers of state and senior presidential advisors. At the top leadership level, Alupo remained vice president while Nabanja remained our role as prime minister and leader of government business in parliament. Kakama Jo Maginon Furupore Megwakagikachil. Foreign Affairs has been handed to Uganda's ambassador and permanent representative to the United Nations, Ladita Adonai Ayebare, and replacing and to previous ministerial instructor in the dockets. In the series of high-profile changes, Dr. Chris Biaramunsi moves to aid the Ministry of Health from the Ministry of Information, Communication, Technology, and National Guidance, while Dr. Jen Ruth Sacheng shifted from Health to the Gender, Labor, and Social Development Ministry. Man ikinjimo kenemakilaga, but la peño berutier kawanero dugi karma Paul Kiet Machalo Dr. Jen Ruth Sacheng oberu Machalo Minister Manalo kum Yorkom Uganda utiu pelwege teach ma Paul de tradam tika temo nano po pikero ki tiche karmani kadonge kwanya ku berchani ki lago ki duogo Minister Manalo kum Gender, Labor, and Social Development. Kero pala diti kitich mamege pala megoni kitich mamege ni tuero ile irwamanining piano dano beriki nerni nantel foot ki round maintaining and me ber machawe la minister manalo kum yorkom Uganda pien ko tiche ono beruleng kido ikare enima tuwe bola la nyuta tika nen ya ki Congo me donye Uganda ki nem chalo ker ne me tiche no futie kamete malo manti ken jimo ken madati ka penye kere wigi matego de tal veteran finance minister of course kitma waje kere Matia Kasaija and ki kwanyero ki kin cabinet mage chimogi madong peke mine position moge ken Balam Barugahara ki kwanye ki minister manalo kum kop palotiana matiano new youth and children affair ki to the local ki lore meberu minister of local government. General Katumba Wamalas Mauno Tie Minister Manalo Kom Genwat Kachet ki tiji lobi Uganda and ki replacing Enki Wilson Muruli Mukasa as the Minister of Public Service, while Sanjay Tana takes over the trade industry and cooperative dockets. NRM and the veteran Major General Kayinda Otafire and ki law and to internal affair to the to water and environment and Fred Biamukama takes charge of works and transport. Manyeti la dita Fred Biamukama ki law and me minister manera lokum teach kachil ki ward ilo Uganda. Among new entrants at the ministerial level at Kiboga politician Desire Muhoza Kikero N agriculture, and then the Islander Robert and Dugwa Migade Kikero N fisheries, then Kisoros Grace Kifeza Ngabirano Kikero N defense and veteran affairs, Ngadode Ikuya Kikero N East African affairs, then Phyllis Chemutai Kikero N to take over a primary education, Minister of Primary Education. In the Finance Minister Kikero Sisi Mulondo to become a Minister of State for General Duties. Amina Kalazazi Kikero N to the privatization and investment, while Sati Kutesa Kikero N Meberu Minister Manero Lokom Lim, the microfinance meroti kin chimo kene magilagoge e kabirman donc watika temo neno bene darma ki berka biakni gwakar kembe mine position mama rome olotieti and maneno foot lokome lingo mot machalo la church madit pa party NRM Richard to duong waneno foot position mama gi mi ir madi foot pio nen watamani gwakar kene ki pen check pa party NRM mayara tika malingni ber machalo general secretary pa party NRM pay tiu pikar malach gwakar kene ki raw maintain nyo gwaki bi lawa kama foot waneno ka kenyo foot tiema olingo mot donc wanen the full statement kakany wachiwa the article 108 clause 1 and clause 2 and 108A clause 1 of 111 clause 1 and then 113 clause 1 and 114 clause 1 of the Constitution of 1995 Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. The following persons have been proposed for appointment as Vice President, Prime Minister, Cabinet Minister, Ministers of State, and Senior Presidential Advisor. Wachak don't get mad maling. Maachel, Vice President and Prime Minister. Kikerogi kaka ene malubu kiat machalo nyingi tie kwere waneno Honorable Jessica Rose Epel Alupo Major General and Kikero me ber machalo lalupo President, and then the Right Honorable Prime Minister and Leader of Government Business in the Parliament Robin Nabanja Furugaka Kenyo Cabinet Minister, the First Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for East African Community Affairs Kidwara Honorable Rebecca Kadaga Udok Chen position Mamege, Second Deputy Prime Minister and Deputy Leader of Government Business in Parliament Kikero Honorable Dr. Crispus Walter Kiyonga, the Third Deputy Prime Minister and Minister without portfolio Kikero Honorable Lukia Nakadama, then Minister of Education and Sports Kidwara Meguchian Man Honorable Janet Kata Museveni Furu Dokchen Menano Kop Menano Lokom Kwan, Minister Office of the President Presidency Kikero Honorable Babirie Mili Babalanda Furu Dokchen Gakenyo, Minister Office of the President Security Kikero Honorable Jim Muwezi Kadong, Minister Office of the President in charge of Science, Technology and Innovation waneno Engineer Asimwe Jonan Beneki Kero position ga Kenya, Minister for Kampala Capital City and Metropolitan Affairs Kikero Minister Honorable Minsa Kabanda Menotiga Kenya Kadong, Minister Office of the Prime Minister General Duties Honorable Engineer Ilaru Nek Kwanyo key position Maunuti Echan men neno lo compare ma poratura Komberiki Kero Chalo Minister Mathieu Kaneno Office of the Prime Minister General Duties and no kadong waneno Government Chief Whips no wangeo yam chon no tie la dita amso no boa ke kwanyo komgi bore ke mio bot Honorable Justin Kasule Lumumba kadong Minister Office of the Prime Minister Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees ki kerobot Honorable Sam Engola man ki kwanye ki bot ladit ila runek ki mi bot Sam Engola, Minister for Karamoja Affair Kimiobot Honorable Loki John Baptist, kadong Minister of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, Kimiobot Honorable Frank Tumevazi, kadong Attorney General, Kimiobot Honorable Sam Mayanja, man aye position Matie, kadong Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs, Kimiobot Honorable Kriowa Kiwanuka, kadong Minister of Energy and Mineral Development, Kimiobot Honorable Dr. Monica Musenero Musanza, kadong wanero Minister of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, Kimiobot Honorable Andre Musasizi, kadong Minister of Foreign Affairs, Kimiobot Ambassador Adonai Ayebare, Minister of Gender, Labor and Social Development, Kimiobot Honorable Lieutenant General Andre Tumukunde Kakuruguru, kadong Minister of Health, Kimiobot Honorable Dr. Chris Bayomunsi, kadong Minister of Information, Communication, Technology and National Guidance, Kimiobot Honorable Dr. Jen Ruth Acheng Ochero, Minister of Internal Affairs, Kimiobot Honorable Professor Ephraim Kamuntu, kadong Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Kidwachen Bot Honorable Norbert Mao, Minister of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Kimiobot Honorable Judith Nakakoba, kadong Minister of Local Government, Kimiobot Honorable Balam Barugahara, kadong Minister of Public Service, Kimiobot General Katumba Wamala, kadong Minister of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities, Kimiobot Tom Butume, Minister of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, Kimiobot Honorable Sanjay Tana, Minister of Water and Environment, Kimiobot Major General Kahinda Utafire, Minister of Works and Transport, Kimiobot Honorable Biamukama Freight. Other ministers of State, Office of the President, Kitmagichi Mugikere, Wanero Kakangi Kero, Minister of State, Office of the President, Economic Monitoring, Honorable Alum Sandra Santa, Minister of State, Office of the President, Ethics and Integrity, Honorable Akelo Rose, Office of the Vice President, Minister of State, Office of the Vice President, Kimiobot Honorable Mutasingwa Diana Nankunda, Manti Kinjoma Kimi kadong Office of the Prime Minister, Watiki Office of State, Office of the Prime Minister, Relief, Disaster, Preparedness and Refugees, Kidwao Chen Bot Honorable Lilian Abe, Minister of State, Office of the Prime Minister, Northern Uganda, Honorable Beatrice Akelo Udokchen Kakenyum, kadong Minister of State, Office of the Prime Minister, Karamoja, Honorable Anyakun Esther Daviana, kadong Minister of State, Office of the Prime Minister, Luero Triangle, Rwenzori Region, Kimiobot Honorable Alice Kaboyo, Minister of State, Office of the Prime Minister, Bunyoro Affairs, Honorable Grace Mary Mugasa, kadong Minister of State, Office of Prime Minister, Teso Affairs, Honorable Dr. Ongalo Obote, kadong Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fishery, Ministry of State for Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fishery Agriculture, Kimiobot Honorable Desire Muhoza, kadong Minister of State for Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fishery Animal Industry, Kimiobot Honorable Bright Ramiramara, kadong Minister of State for Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, Kimiobot Honorable Migade Robert Ndugwa, kadong Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Deputy Attorney General, Kimiobot Honorable Jackson Kafuzi, kadong Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, Kimio and Minister of State for Defense and Veteran Affairs, Defense, Honorable Akifeja Grace Ngabirano, kadong Minister of State for Defense and Veteran Affairs, Honorable Oleru Huda, Ministry of East African Affairs Minister of State for East African Affairs kimiobot Honorable Magode Ikuya kadong wanero in the office of Ministry of Education and Sport maono watieki Minister of State for Education and Sport higher education watieki Honorable Dr. John Chrysostom Muyingo Matie Minister of State for Education and Sport and Primary Education. Honorable Phyllis Chemutai kadong Minister of State for Education and Sports, that is the sports manera lokum sport. Honorable Peter Ogwang. Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development under Ministry of State for Energy and Mineral Development energy watieki Honorable Sidronius Opolot Okasai. Minister of State for Energy and Mineral Development Minerals watieki Honorable Fiona Nyamutoro Odokchen i position neka Kenyo kadong Ministry of Finance Planning and Economic Development watieki Minister of State for Finance Planning and Economic Development watieki ngatmanero General Duties Honorable Sisi Mulondo kadong Minister of State for Finance Planning and Economic Development, that is in the circle of planning watieki Honorable Amos Lugolobi. Minister of State for Finance Planning and Economic Development under Privatization and Investment watieki Mrs. Amina Mukalazi kadong under Ministry of State for Finance Planning and Economic Development ite microfinance watieki Honorable Satsi Kutesa Muserure kadong Minister of Foreign Affairs itere watieki Minister of State for Foreign Affairs International Affairs watieki Honorable Calvin Echodu kadong Minister of State for Foreign Affairs Regional Affairs Honorable Cheyune Karuna Kasolo kadong wabino wanero Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development watieki itere kuno watieki Minister of State for Gender, Labor and Social Development under Gender and Culture no watieki Honorable Kutesa Mary Kamuli. Then wabino Minister of State for Gender, Labor and Social Development manero lokum Youth and Children Affairs manotie bot balam kimiobot Honorable Lakisa Mercy Faith. Minister of State for Gender, Labor and Social Development ite Employment and Industrial Relation watieki Honorable Simon Mulongo kadong Minister of State for Gender, Labor and Social Development Disability Affairs manero lokum lugar Honorable Achan Joyce Okeny. Minister of State for Gender, Labor and Social Development Elderly manero lokum Jomoteki Affairs Honorable Jacqueline Mbabazi kadong Ministry of Health ite Ministry of Health watieki Minister of State for Health General Duties watieki Honorable Anifa Bangirana Kawoya. Minister of State for Health Primary Health Care watieki Honorable Dr. Charles Ayume. Ite Ministry of Information Communication Technology and National Guidance Mathieu Dr. Jen Ruta Cheng watiki other position Mathieu Minister of State for Information Communication Technology and National Guidance Information watiki Honorable Joyce Honorable Joyce Sebugwawo kadong Minister of State for Information Communication Technology and National Guidance ite National Guidance watiki Honorable Alioni Yoke Odria. Alione Yoke Odria enti kindana ma onyur mirne kong mukwa me beru speaker me parliament me le Uganda but waneram genti kindana ma go charo kwigi but la dit Jacob both Ministry of Internal Affairs watieki Minister of State for Internal Affairs Dr. Lauren Muganga kadong Ministry of Kampala Capital City and Metropolitan Affairs watiki Minister of State for Kampala Capital City and Metropolitan Affairs la dita Honorable Kabuye Chofato Giabe nying mukene dong tikany mapedong trere. Ministry of Land, Housing and Urban Development watiki Minister of State for Lands, Housing and Urban Development which is Housing Honorable Honorable Pasi Namuganja manti kindana go nyurmiri gibeno no meberu speaker me parliament me lo Uganda entie le dit malo lokum don lobo man state for land housing and urban development magimi obota Pasi Namuganja state minister of state for land housing and urban development, that is within the urban development only, watiki Honorable Margaret Muhanga Mugisha, Minister of State for Lands, Housing and Urban Development, ete land kekens, watiki Honorable Harriet Tabazi, Ministry of Local Government, Minister of State for Local Government, watiki Honorable Justin Namere, kadong Ministry of Public Service, Minister of State for Public Service, watiki Honorable Lydia Wanyoto Mutende, matikin dama ben no gunyur mirigi me speaker me parliament me Uganda benefit community position. Ministry of Tourism, watiki Minister of State for Tourism, Wildlife and Aquatics, watiki Honorable Nakawuki Susan Sambu, kadong Minister of Trade, Industry and Cooperative, watiki Honorable Tom Azza, manero lokum trade, industry and cooperatives and kadong Minister of State for Trade, Industry and Cooperative Industry, ite industry of course watiki Honorable David Bahati, kadong wanero State for Trade, Industry and Cooperative Trade keken watiki General Wilson Mbadi, Minister of Water and Environment, watiki Minister of State for Water and Environment, watiki Honorable Beatrice Anywa kimine mebero Minister of State for Water and Environment and the Environment keken strictly mero Honorable Beatrice Anywa, kadong Minister of State for Water and Environment watik beneki manelo kum water keken wanero Honorable Aisha Sekindi. Then Ministry of Works and Transport mala dit vigi kilago benanin watieki Minister of State for Works and Transport manero lokum works keken watiki Mr. Siraji Musa Ali, kadong Minister of State for Works and Transport manero lokum transport keken watiki Honorable Julius Maganda Wandera. Senior presidential advisors, man Jomagi Beruchok Miutamke president, the following person will be appointed as senior presidential advisor in the different fields to be communicated later, which is Wanano Kakaeni, Tie Honorable Amson Obua, Honorable Ruth Nakambira, Honorable Francis Mwebeza, Kadong Honorable Evelyn Anite, kadong Honorable Dr. Kenneth Omona has been transferred to the diplomatic service as ambassador at the station to be communicated later. Manti kin jomo kan make lawagi manyeti ngat manelo kom kop me gumalame Uganda ki kwanyo ki bota Honorable Dr. Kenneth Omona ki mi ireti me ber ambassador ma ikin jomo kan ki be communicating later men no name and ikin jo makit man anyway beru ben ki kero men winyu matut kinyang la dita Honorable Richard Toduong ki carry position mamene pian position mo kene tema foot later, actually in a few days to come wabi winyu ka gwaki bi mio kare to understand nga maurwata me beru ikom menon mana ye jima pigitego mawa kelbot in itamebe television i midweek analysis ambore.